Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is what to do with your old estate planning documents. But before we dive into that topic, if you would like to schedule a free consultation with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com or send me an email directly at david@campanilelaw.com, or if you are on LinkedIn, it's up here, and if you are on YouTube, it's down here. You can schedule an appointment directly at the link below. All right, so what to do with your old estate planning documents. Now, I've seen once or twice, and this also goes back to when I was younger in my dad's practice, when he did estate planning. I would see people come in with wills, trusts, powers of attorney, healthcare directives in stacks. I'm talking major stacks, like yay big. Wow, my camera almost fell over. Okay. And going through things can, sometimes it's great to see what people have done and changed over the years, but at other times it's not necessary. And even though people are being very proactive and trying to maintain all of these important documents, the old ones tend to not have as much importance anymore. And I'm going to break it down for you piece by piece. So I want to start with your healthcare directive and your medical power of attorney. Now, under this one, if you've changed your healthcare directive, i.e., let's say you originally wanted to donate organs and now you've changed your mind and you've flip-flopped, and in the course of it, you've also said, I want to be kept on maximum treatment, and now I don't want to be kept on maximum treatment. So you're coming to me today saying, look, I don't want to be on maximum treatment, or your newest one says no maximum treatment, donate organs. Okay, so that's what's more important. We want to eliminate confusion through all of this, because the last thing we need is everybody to be looking at 9, 10, maybe even just 2 documents. The same thing goes for your medical powers of attorney. If you're changing the person in charge, you want to eliminate the old ones. So here you can shred or destroy the old ones and just keep the new ones. The same thing's going to go for your power of attorney. Because when we create a new power of attorney, in essence, we're revoking the previous or all of those that have come before it. So you can, in probably 99.9% of all of those scenarios, shred or destroy those. Don't just throw these in the garbage, because there's could be addresses, there could be phone numbers, depending on how your attorney drafts things. Maybe there are some personal identifiers. And please remember that everything that I'm saying to you today, please consult with your estate planning attorney. I'm talking generally here. Now let's go to a trust. With a trust, you normally don't destroy a trust and recreate a trust. Some people do. You want to save all your trust documents. If you make amendments to a trust, those amendments are going to go on top of your trust. So you want to save that. Amendments could be if you're naming more beneficiaries, if you're taking away beneficiaries, if there's a new asset that's being placed in, if you're changing a trustee. Maybe you wanted to change some terms, like change ages where people can get distributions. Those are just going to go on top of your trust, and you want to leave those there. So when it comes to your trust documents, save them. Let your attorney go through all of those. Now when it comes to your will, generally, when you create a new will, you've revoked all previous wills. So you can destroy the old will there. However, we can also make amendments to our wills. Those are known as codicils. If you want to know how it's spelled, it's C-O-D-I-C-I-L, codicil. And what you're doing here is you're just amending the will. So those codicils are basically just going to be stapled on top or on top of your old will. And you need to save that old will because you've only changed portions of it. That codicil does not change the whole will. It's only going to change those portions that you've gone through and amended. So the moral of today's video and the moral of the story is, when it comes to your powers of attorney and your medical power of attorney and your living will or your healthcare directive, if you've created something new, you can destroy those old documents. When it comes to the will and your trust, it depends on how you've changed or revoked things. Remember, this is all general, so please sit down with your estate planning attorney, and get their advice on how they want you to handle things, how they want you to destroy things. I'm giving you the advice that I would give to my clients. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who's struggling with maybe this topic or has questions about estate planning or probate, please share this video with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. If you have questions pertaining to this topic or any other topic in estate planning or probate, you can contact me directly for a free phone consultation at njestateattorney.com, or you can send me an email directly at david@campanilelaw.com, or if you're on LinkedIn, it's up here, and if you're on YouTube, it's down here. There's a link to schedule directly with me. So you can click there, schedule with me, and I look forward to talking to all of you. My name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey.